So a sports therapist is basically a musculoskeletal therapist. They're trained to not only be able to assess a patient, to have a broad knowledge of a range of both acute and chronic injuries, but to be able to manage those and return those patients back to full functional fitness.
We have a very, very practical hands-on nature. So the course is delivered for 4 modules each term, and you will tend to have a 1-hour lecture followed by 2-hour practicals.
Which is amazing because what you've just learned you can then apply, which really helps you understand. We also have some group seminars. Our class is split in half, so then it gives the tutor more one-to-one time with you.
What's really nice is that we actually manage to keep our cohort of students fairly small, which allows us not just to really hone in and ensure that we're giving them the attention to develop their skills, their knowledge base and apply that into context, but we actually get to know our students really well, which is lovely. So we get to see their development and we're involved in that process in their development. Their professional development, but also their personal development.
My tutors, they're so friendly, so kind, so supportive, and no matter if you have any issues, whether it's to do with the course or outside of, they'll be there for you and supporting you.
We do have work placements. They have a clinical placement at the end of their 2nd year, going into their 3rd year. We also have a sports injury clinic where they can gain hours, and we also have a university sports placement where they can gain up to 40 hours. So there's a clinical, a sporting, and then an external placement opportunity within the course.
But we also offer not only a BSc, but here they have an opportunity to do our MSci. Our MSci is a 4-year degree, and the 3rd year is an integrated master's course where they have a 1-year work placement where they're actually working within professional sport. They get amazing contacts that they've made within their professional placements, and we've had fabulous employability off the back of the MSci. All our sports teams within the university all play games on a Wednesday and they train throughout the evenings. So there is an opportunity for our sports therapists to apply their acute injury and trauma knowledge that they learnt at 1st year and apply it in a pitch-side environment.
So you can be a therapist and travel with your team and go with them to games if they get injured. You can be their pitch side, and then if they get injured, you can then take them on a rehab program after the game.
We're really lucky in the terms of the facilities that we have to offer the students. We have our teaching room here, and then we have the clinic next door where we run our sports injury teaching clinic, which is in the 3rd year. But that also provides an additional practice room for our students. And then next door to that, we have a rehabilitation room.
Chichester University is a caring environment in which you will be able to flourish. We will all know your name. We have small class cohorts, and we look forward to seeing you soon.